not going to sell your property. I put these two photos on the screen because the middle one was the first project that XP did, and we thought it would be an amazing idea to get 3 or 4 of the team together with pizzas, order all of the flat pack furniture ourselves, order stuff from Wayfair and IKEA and all these other places, and spend a few hours kind of putting it all together, and it would be a big team bonding experience. In reality, it took about 8 hours. It was awful. It was a massive waste of our time. It didn't cost any less than what it would have done actually going to a furniture pack company such as Loft. We've used Loft sort of numerous times on various schemes now. We've reached out again on Tame to bring them in. Just to give the listeners and viewers an idea, a 1-bed flat, fully furnished and staged, will cost you about 6 to 7 grand, and a 2-bed flat will cost you somewhere between £7,500 and £9,000. And we've done some other chats previously about the benefits of both selling faster and selling for more using staged furniture, because people can actually physically see themselves living in the space. A lot of people don't have the imagination to actually visualize where furniture is going to go, how it could look. So by giving that to them, it helps them make their decision and move things forward a lot faster. The other benefits that we've found historically is that actually, if it's a first-time buyer, for example, they don't have furniture, so they're only going to have to go out and get some. So if you can show them that furniture and can actually then use that as a negotiation tool to say, look, we can throw in the furniture if your asking price is X, or just would you like to buy the furniture for us? And sometimes, you can make a markup on that sale as well. So if we're buying a 1-bed furniture for 6 grand and we're selling it for 8, that's a good bit of margin for a bit of an upsell. So there's lots of benefits to show homes. We've used Loft and various other companies, but we do find Loft are extremely good. They'll come in, they'll unload all the furniture, put it into position, take away all the rubbish. It's kind of just full service, hassle-free, and a great start to end process. One of the things that I did want to share with how to structure your brochures, top tip. A lot of people start their brochures with a lot of specification stuff and the facts, whereas that's not going to sell your property. What people want to buy into is the emotional side of things. What's in the local area in terms of food and leisure and pubs, and how are they going to see themselves living in that area? How are they going to get to work? What are the transport links? Realistically, the last things you're going to be talking about is actually the specification of the actual flats themselves. So you can see here we've got a bit of that, we've got a bit of travel, we've got a bit of food and the local amenities, a little bit about the specification itself, and then it goes into all of the relevant floor plans and the sizings and what you're actually then buying. For this site, we have actually got a micro website created as well, so it's kind of an extension of the brochure really. That will give us the ability to start amending things. So if we have a sale go through, we can actually update the website to say, this one's been sold, this one's been reserved, this one's still available, this one's being launched, if phase 2 is being launched, X, Y, and Z. And all of the site signage that we had installed a couple of weeks ago, and if you tuned in a couple of weeks ago, you'd have seen some of the site signage that we've installed on site. So that gets a lot of footfall, and we've got QR codes and contact information on those site boards. So people in the local area, creates a bit of a buzz. We've already had 3 people scan the QR code and request more details in the last couple of weeks, which actually I need to contact the sales agent, because they were going to ring them yesterday to see if there was any fruitful conversations coming off the back of that. But there's loads of things you can do to speed up your sales. This is a real big challenge for us. We've never sold 9 units in one go before, so we're trying to do everything we can now to make it as seamless a process as possible, because it is a tough market out there. Things are very, very difficult. Flats specifically, leasehold flats are sticking a lot more than they ever have done, and we've got 9 of those as part of phase 1. So yeah, we'll see how it goes.